We had a snowstorm and spent the last 2 days cooped up inside, but this morning, the sun finally came out, and it got way colder. I decided to take a quick walk, and it was like an ice rink out there with the snow covering everything. We have to be super careful driving or walking on that stuff. Would you mind taking a moment to go horizontal for a bit? It might do wonders. A freezing morning with sunshine turns everything into a beautiful, artistic scene. Nature's just amazing. Around noon, we had a visitor, and she whipped up a delicious pot of curry for all of us. Loaded with veggies and a touch of tomato and soy sauce for flavor. It was the perfect warm treat in this chilly weather. Nothing beats a hot meal to relax every muscle. I strolled over to the post office this afternoon and decided to take the street completely covered in snow on purpose. For dinner, we had potato salad, pickles, fried shrimps, steamed broccoli, and more. It was all leftovers. I indulged in plenty of food, stuffed myself, and now I'm feeling happily full.